Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, the place where your journey to better health begins. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most delicious and underrated superfruits out there. Cherries. These tiny red gems aren't just tasty, they're packed with powerful nutrients that can transform your health from the inside out. From improving sleep to reducing inflammation, cherries are nature's sweet little miracle. So grab a bowl of cherries, if you've got them, and let's explore why this fruit deserves a spot in your daily diet. Let's start with what makes cherries so special. In just 1 cup of sweet cherries, about 21 cherries, you get 90 calories, 3 grams of fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, no fat or cholesterol. But it's not just the vitamins that make cherries stand out, it's the unique compounds inside them. Cherries are rich in anthocyanins, natural plant pigments that give cherries their red color and powerful antioxidant properties. They also contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. We'll break down what all this means for your body in the next segments. Do you suffer from joint pain or chronic inflammation? Cherries might be your new best friend. Multiple studies have shown that cherries help reduce inflammation markers in the body, making them especially beneficial for people with arthritis and gout. In fact, one study found that gout patients who ate cherries for 2 days had a 35% lower risk of flare-ups compared to those who didn't. That's thanks to their anthocyanins, which work similarly to NSAIDs like ibuprofen but without the side effects. So, if you want natural relief from aches and pains, cherries are a tasty alternative. Let's talk about your heart. Cherries are a rich source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and heartbeat. They also reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and improve the function of blood vessels. The anthocyanins again play a starring role here, as they help protect the cardiovascular system from oxidative stress and inflammation. Adding cherries to your diet could support a healthier heart and lower your risk of heart disease. And who wouldn't want that? Struggling with sleep? Cherries may help you get those precious C's. They're one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to wind down. In a study, adults who drank tart cherry juice before bed slept an average of 84 more minutes compared to those who didn't. Instead of reaching for a sleeping pill, why not try a bowl of cherries or a glass of tart cherry juice? It's a gentle, natural way to support restful sleep. Athletes, listen up. Cherries aren't just a treat, they're a recovery tool. Research shows that tart cherry juice helps reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after workouts. Why? Because of the same anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds we mentioned earlier. Whether you're a runner, weightlifter, or just getting into fitness, drinking cherry juice after a workout could help you bounce back faster and reduce post-exercise stiffness. It's like nature's sports drink without the added sugar and artificial stuff. Here's something amazing: cherries can even support your brain. Their high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Some studies suggest that regular cherry consumption can enhance memory and cognitive function, especially in older adults. So, a handful of cherries might not just please your taste buds, it could also help keep your mind sharp. Trying to manage your weight? Cherries might help there, too. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you full and supports healthy digestion. The natural sweetness of cherries can also satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Instead of sugary desserts, why not go for a bowl of cherries as a snack? They're refreshing, hydrating, and friendly to your waistline. Plus, the fiber in cherries supports a healthy gut, which is key to overall well-being. Now you might be wondering, what kind of cherries should I eat? Here's the good news: fresh cherries are great when in season. Frozen cherries retain most of their nutrients and are available year-round. Tart cherry juice is ideal for sleep and recovery. Dried cherries are good in moderation, but watch for added sugars. So whether it's a smoothie, salad, or snack, there's always a way to enjoy cherries. To sum it up, cherries are small, but they pack a serious health punch. From reducing inflammation and improving heart health to boosting sleep and brain power, these little fruits are a nutritional powerhouse. So next time you see cherries at the store, Don't pass them by. Grab a bag and give your body the gift of better health. What's your favorite way to enjoy cherries? Fresh? In juice? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural health tips every week. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.